Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Spocket account. So by resetting, what I mean is basically in case you forgot your password and you need it to get back, then I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it in this video. First of all, click on login, and as you can see here, what you will have to do is to put your email and password. So for example here, I'm going to put this one and I'm going to put random password. And once you have done that, you will find this message: incorrect email or password. In that case, we need to reset our account so we can reset our password so we can actually get the access to your account right back. Make sure that your account is actually one of the accounts that are connected, that you have used to create your account in the first place, and make sure that your password is not written wrong so you can check it by clicking on this eye. In case you have checked both, so what you have to do is click on forgot password. Here you have to paste your email address and click on send. If this email is actually used by Spocket or on Spocket, then you will receive a temporary password. Let's check it out. Click on Gmail, and as you can see, use the temporary password provided to reset your password. Try to log in, and as you can see, I haven't received it already. Yep, I haven't received it. Well, the reason why, because I don't have an account with this email. But let me just wait a little bit. Here it is. Okay, never mind. Here we go. I'm going to do this, click password, and then log in. Once I do that, I'm simply going to, in case I did have like a subscription. Let me just remove this real quick from here. I'm going to remove it. So what I'm going to do next is simply click on settings, and I'm going to go to the settings of my account and then reset the password from there. In my case, I can't since I don't have really the subscription, but in general, you have to go here and click on the reset password. So that was it. Thank you guys all for watching. See you guys in the next video.